I'm going, guys, to
This?
buy my swimming attire because we're going to water park today. So I choose this one. Is it nice, guys? Look at this. My husband don't let me wear the swimsuit. So just like this is allowed.
Sheila. Okay.
So if you want to buy, guys, here in Benton Market, swimwear attire, you can visit this shop. Laha.
Laha.
La,
The gate number 11, right?
gate number, yeah, this one.
This is the brand, and then they
Gate
give you
number 11. The quality is
very good.
very good, but a little bit expensive. You can ask discount from her.
This is company.
This is
Company price, yeah.
And they have promotion always,
they
like
cannot,
50%.
give more than discount because company price.
The
this
polo
one.
rule.
But the quality is very nice, very good. If you buying from online, also like similar like this. So
You try
to
this
visit
color,
this
yes.
one. I don't like this color. I want dark.
Sure.
So, nandito tayo guys sa 7-Eleven. Bibili tayo ng pagkain na babaonin natin doon sa
This is the
No, that one.
GC. This is the
babaonin natin doon sa water park kasi hindi namin alam kung may mga pagkain doon.
They have to make
So,
very hot.
Yeah.
45.
Anak, burger always burger. You eating, you know it's not good for your health. So, nag-order ako guys ng Thai mixed noodles with pork. So, ito sa kanila. This one can make hot.
This one.
Yeah. What else do we want? You don't want to eat something burger, huh? You take her burger. She will.
This is chicken burger. You know?
Yeah. You take some burger for you. Later you will feel hungry. Wait, I want to buy you some snacks. So bili tayo guys ng some snacks dito na baonin natin. So we look at this. They have like this also.
Snake pie. Isn't it?
Ay, this one, oh, like in Brunei.
Yeah. That's
This is yummy. I try it. Na kami sa loob ng sasakyan. On the way na kami papunta doon sa water park. So, mga 30 minutes yun galing dito. So, nandyan yung aking dalawang bunnies. Hi, Ami. Little bunnies. Hello. So, see you guys at the water park. And Zoe is really excited now. Are you excited, Ate Zoe? Yeah, this is her wish to play in the big slide and play water.
park and then have the slide.
Yeah, big slider. This is more longer and big slide. But I think the kids is not allowed to use that slide because it's only for adults.
I also use it.
It depends to the caretaker. Let's see. Okay. Say hi. Hi guys. Oh, she's singing. What song is that? Oh wow! Yay! Good job! So it's traffic here now guys in Ho Chi Minh City because the time here is around 12 noon. So morning or afternoon here is traffic. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Damsin Water Park dito sa District 11. So ganito yung harap niya guys, malaki siya. Tapos mag-picture daw muna sila dito sa entrance guys. So we have to buy ticket here. Dito yung counter sa ticket area. Hi, good morning. Closing time is 5:30. I thought it's 6 p.m.
How's the price? How's the price? The dong? How much dong? Oh, meters. This one. 1 meter 4.
So, let's go inside guys. Enter na tayo. So, dito tayo mag-entrance. Okay, so ganito yung kanilang harap. So, pag pasok nyo, makikita nyo yung ganyan. So, i-scan dito yung kanilang receipt. And then, and enjoy inside. Let's go! So guys, ready na kami mag-swimming. Nakapagpalit na kami. Kung wala kayo guys baon na damit, may tindahan doon oh. Pwede kayo bumili ng pang-swimming attire. So si Ate Zoe naka-ready na siya. So mag-deposit tayo guys dito ng package nung ating Bitbit. May bayad siya guys, yung paglagay ng gamit dyan. Tanungin natin mamaya kung magkano. So we have to buy ticket here guys. Here.
How much?
No, their package.
We have to be put inside, right? We have to pay, right? But how much? This is the one, 25K for the deposit thing.
And then, free plastic.
Plastic. Oh, they will give you.
So, magbayad tayo dito guys ng deposit, 25,000 dong. May kasama na siyang plastic. So, 25. Hindi ko alam guys kung naririnig niyo ako, hindi kasi naka-casing to. So, yan, nagbibigay na sila guys ng plastic kasi nakapagbayad na tayo ng 25,000 dong. Kailangan nyo ilagay yung name nyo. So, dito yung package deposit. Dito naman yung return package. Parang claim package. Ganon. It's waterproof. Okay, you have to hang it. Okay, let's go. Can bring trolley there? Let's go. So, lahat guys, kailangan yung iwanan. So, nakapana kami ngayon. O, tingnan nyo. Mamaya natin i-claim ang ating mga sapatos. Right here first, come.
Okay.
Nag-i-enjoy siya guys dito. Oh my God. It's strong, baby. Wow. You're strong. Yay. Wash big step on the water. Wow. A very big step. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow, Ate Joey already how to swim. Very good, Ate. Ashley, you're naughty girl. What do you want to do? You want to hug? Anak, there on the water. Okay na, enough na hug. Yeah. Go, go. You like it? Yes. Strong, baby, strong.
Joey.
Come on, leap, leap. See what she's playing in the water ba? Ashley! Come on, like this, come on! Bigger ulit. Lamig na lamig. how to use it? You don't know how to use it. Wow! Wow! She said, don't touch daddy, this is mine. Oh! So, gusto ko dito siya guys i-try. Kaso nakakatakot. That one is tornado, look. So, kids is not allowed. Excuse me, is kids allowed? No, not allowed. So, hindi siya allowed guys. Yung ano, pang bat. Zoe, come here first. We see first, come. So, here. Yeah, dyan o, yung tornado. Bawal siya guys yung bata. Wait a minute here. Only for adults, this one. Here, this is the big one. Zero, tornado, twister, max. Here. Here, go in here. Here. The balloon. Here. Come on. Wait. You want to sit? You better sit. Your dad is so heavy. Mula na siya guys. Tingnan mo. Arnold Ashley!
I'm happy that I do you. Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I do where you talk, I go do.
Look at here.
Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
So guys, tapos na kami mag-swimming. Pero mamaya si Zoe mag-swimming pa daw siya. Ngayon guys, kakain kami dito kasi gutom na si Ate Zoe. Kasi anong oras na guys? Alam nyo ba guys kung anong oras na? 3:48 na siya ng hapon. Di pa kami nagla-lunch. So, nandyan guys yung ano, ang ganda-ganda dito. O, tingnan nyo. Yung asawa ko guys nag-order ng food. Pero may dala naman kami sa food kanina dito. Mayroon kaming from 7-Eleven. So, nag-order sila guys ng chicken and rice. Ayan, kumakain sila. Si Ate Zoe, ayan. How is it, Ate Zoe? Yummy? Ito yung food ko, pork ribs. May may rice, white rice siyang kasama. Ang price niya ay 47,000 dong lang siya. Mura lang siya, guys. Affordable. So, yung rice niya, guys, mainit pa. Yung ribs niya ganyan, ininit nila to guys para masarap. Pero medyo matigas yung baboy niya. Sobrang tigas ng baboy, hindi ko mapauwi na kami guys. Tapos na kami mag-swimming, mag-enjoy. Ashby, did you enjoy today? Ate Zoe, did you enjoy today? Say good night guys. Say bye-bye guys. Say bye guys. Thank you for watching our videos. See you next time.